Hello, everybody. Hope you doing great. Welcome to Colombia Tour Traveling Agency. I am Erika, and today I am going to share with you one of the most amazing destination in Colombia. This is Ipiales. Ipiales is a city located in Nariño department bordering Ecuador. Places to visit cemetery, Tulcan Cathedral, and activities. In this place you can enjoy many activities like visiting Santuario de las Lajas. This is a beautiful church coin architecture located over a canyon in the Guaitara River. You can also can a tour in the cave to get to best view of the canyon and the outside of the church if you visit Rimichak Bridge. You can take a photo in the boundary between Colombia and Ecuador. The best time to go to Ipiales is in August, since this is the month with the best water. As this is cool place, it is important that you get ready big very careful with your clothes. You must think some swartwich jacket, gloves and chalk. In your situated card, you can go out of this region without testing marks typical. This that you won't find in the another place. You can start trying the Winnipeg and the Lapingachos made of potato. For having lunch you can drink the famous herbivore made of fruits and have alcohol. If you don't speak Spanish, you should learn the most common expression of for communicating with local people. Because Spanish is the local language and not many people here speak English very well, but don't worry if you don't speak Spanish. Our company has the best translators for make your sprint and for Baruet beds the best prices in the beds um, accommodation with no limit at and the bed tour for you and your family or couple. Thank you.